Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Coke Inu coin on Binance. So Binance is consistently reviewing and adding cryptocurrencies that can be used on the Binance platform. If you would like to know where to buy Coke Inu, which is currently not listed on Binance, you can follow the step-by-step guide below. So as you can read over here that currently Coke Inu is not listed on Binance. However, there is a workaround that you can use to add Coke Inu coins in your Binance account. In order to do this, you first have to download Trust Wallet application. So there are several crypto wallets to choose from within the Avalanche network, and Trust Wallet appears to be the most integrated. So if you're using a desktop computer, you can download Google Chrome extension and the Wallet Chrome extension. If you prefer using your phone number, then you can download Trust Wallet mobile application in your Android or in your iOS device. After that, you need to set up your Trust Wallet. Then in the Trust Wallet, you will have to first purchase AVAX coin as your base currency. Then you need to start the process of sending AVAX from Binance to your crypto wallet. Now once you buy your AVAX, you need to go to the Binance wallet section and then you need to look for AVAX you purchased. Then you need to click on withdraw and fill up the required information. Set up the network to Avalanche, provide your wallet address and the amount you want to transfer. Then you need to click the withdraw button and wait for the AVAX to appear in your Trust wallet. Now once you have AVAX coin in your Trust wallet, you need to choose a decentralized exchange. So there are several decentralized exchanges that you can choose. So you just have to choose any of these, and after that you need to connect your Trust wallet with that. Then you need to trade your AVAX coin with the coin you want to get, which in our case is Coke Inu. So if Coke Inu doesn't appear, then you can find its smart contract on CoinMarketCap. After that, you need to tap on the swap button in order to swap AVAX coin into Coke Inu. So if you want to view the full video of adding the Coke Inu coin in your Trust wallet, then you can check out that video on my channel, or I will put the link of that video down in the description box as well. So you can go through that video, and with the help of that, you can purchase Coke Inu coin in your Trust wallet app. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.